All right, now we've got the rear carpet pulled out. I'll give this a quick blow down, and then we'll get some purple power on it. I got my purple power, and if you can see in these tracks there's actually some oil. At some point somebody spilled oil in there. Pretty sure it wasn't me. And that spot's extra greasy, so we're gonna go heavy on the purple power there. All right, I'll get to it. Let us spray.